Get ready to upgrade your ride like never before. Today, we're diving into the top 21 smart car accessories on Amazon, packed with futuristic tech, genius features, and game-changing gadgets that make every drive smarter, safer, and way more exciting. From clever convenience upgrades to high-tech innovations you didn't even know existed, these accessories can totally transform your car experience. Stick around till the end, because you're definitely going to find something you'll want to try next. Number 1. Stupid Classic Car Tray. Upgrade your driving experience with this super handy car tray that instantly turns your vehicle into a comfortable work or snack zone. It attaches easily, stays steady, and gives you a reliable flat surface for meals, writing, or using your laptop while parked. Perfect for commuters, busy drivers, and road trips, it helps reduce clutter and keeps everything more organized. This is a smart, practical upgrade you'll actually use, so grab it now before the deal disappears. Number 2. Yakry Smart Car Air Purifier Ionizer. Keep your car's interior feeling fresh, clean, and breathable with this smart air purifier. It helps reduce bad odors, smoke, dust, and allergens, making every drive more comfortable and pleasant. Whether you're dealing with traffic pollution or long drive air, this purifier works quietly and efficiently in the background. Your car instantly feels newer and healthier inside. Limited time deals are active now, so tap the link below and grab yours before it runs out. Number 3. Joytutus Sun Visor Extender for Car. Say goodbye to harsh sunlight and annoying glare with this smart sun visor extender. It helps you drive safely by blocking direct sunlight without ruining your view of the road. Super easy to install, durable, and comfortable for everyday use. It makes long drives and sunny commutes way easier on your eyes. If you're tired of squinting while driving, this is a must-have upgrade. Deals won't last long. Click now and secure yours. ZATOOTO. Number 4. VASTFIRE Starlight Headliner. Kit for car. Bring a luxury vibe to your car interior with this stunning Starlight Headliner kit. It creates an eye-catching, glowing star effect that instantly upgrades your car's atmosphere, making night drives feel relaxing, cozy, and stylish. Perfect for personal cars, family rides, or road trips with friends, it adds personality and wow factor to your vehicle. Installation is simple, and the results are incredible. Don't miss the deal. Click the link and make your car stand out. Number 5. AstroAI Windshield Cleaner Tool. Cleaning your windshield just got way easier with this practical and efficient windshield cleaner tool. It helps you reach tough corners, remove fog, and wipe away dirt without straining your hands. Perfect for quick cleaning, road trips, and everyday driving, it keeps your visibility crystal clear and your car looking fresh. It's lightweight, durable, and super convenient to keep inside your vehicle. Deals are live now. Grab yours before this essential tool sells out. Number 6. ZATOOTO Car Window Sunshades Covers. Protect your car from heat, sunlight, and harmful UV rays with these premium window sunshade covers. They help keep your interior cooler, protect your dashboards and seats, and make long trips more comfortable for kids and passengers. Easy to install, easy to remove, and built to last, they're perfect for daily driving or summer road trips. If you want comfort and protection, this is a smart buy. Limited stock available. Click now to get yours. Number 7. EFHIPS Car Central. Locking keyless entry. Give your car a modern upgrade with this smart keyless entry system. It lets you lock and unlock your vehicle effortlessly, adding safety, convenience, and a premium feel to your ride. Perfect for older cars or anyone wanting extra security, it's reliable, user-friendly, and makes daily driving much easier. No more fumbling with keys, just simple control. Deals are available right now, so hit the link in the description and grab this upgrade before it sells out. Number 8. OPENROAD Recovery Winch with Synthetic Rope. If you love adventure, off-roading, or long trips, this powerful recovery winch is a must-have. It gives you dependable pulling power with a strong synthetic rope that's safer and easier to handle than traditional steel cables. Whether you're stuck in mud, sand, or rough terrain, this winch has your back. Built tough for real situations, it adds confidence to every journey. Limited deals are live now. Click the link and secure yours before they're gone. Number 9. Ompellus Eyeglass Hanger Clip. Keep your glasses safe, organized, and easy to reach with this simple but incredibly useful eyeglass hanger clip. No more tossing them in the cup holder or losing them between seats. It holds your sunglasses or prescription glasses securely without scratching them, making daily driving more convenient and neat. Small accessory, big difference in comfort and organization. Deals are available now, so click the link below and grab yours before stock runs out. Number 10. Snailax Vibration Back Massager with Heat. Turn every drive into a relaxing, comfortable ride with this heated back massager. It helps reduce back tension, muscle fatigue, and long drive discomfort with soothing vibration and optional heat. Perfect for commuters, road trippers, or anyone who spends a lot of time driving, it brings real comfort inside your car. Easy to install and incredibly relaxing, it's a must-have upgrade. Deals are limited. Tap the link and get yours while it's still available. Number 11. Chemical Guy's Creeper Rolling Bucket Dolly. Make car washing faster, easier, and more fun with this rolling bucket dolly. It glides smoothly while you work, so you don't have to drag your bucket around or keep bending down. Built tough and super stable, it keeps everything steady while helping you clean smarter and quicker. Perfect for detailing lovers or anyone who cares about their car's shine. Deals are limited, so hit the link and grab yours before it's gone. Number 12. Focuwav Portable CarPlay Screen. Upgrade your car with modern smart features using this portable CarPlay screen. Enjoy hands-free navigation, music, calls, and voice control without replacing your factory stereo. It installs easily, works smoothly, and instantly gives your car a premium, tech-savvy feel. Whether you're commuting or road tripping, this screen keeps you connected and safe on the road. Don't miss out on the convenience. Tap the link now and grab yours before the deal ends. Number 13. Gspscn Silver Tire. Inflator Double Cylinder. Never worry about low tire pressure again with this powerful double-cylinder tire inflator. It delivers strong, fast airflow so you can inflate tires quickly in emergencies, road trips, or daily driving needs. Built tough, reliable, and easy to use, it ensures safer driving and better performance on the road. Every car owner needs one of these in the trunk. Limited time deals are active. Click the link and secure yours before stock runs out. Number 14. Joytutus Roof Rack Crossbars Traverse. Turn your car into a true adventure vehicle with these strong and secure roof rack crossbars. Perfect for carrying luggage, bikes, kayaks, or camping gear, they help you travel with freedom and extra space. They install firmly, stay stable, and handle long trips like a champ. Whether for vacations or weekend getaways, this upgrade makes your car more capable. Deals are live right now. Tap the link and grab yours before it sells out. Number 15. Nineduck Car Trunk Organizer. With lid, bring real order to your car with this durable trunk organizer. It keeps groceries, tools, emergency gear, and travel items neatly stored instead of rolling around your trunk. Strong, foldable, and designed with a secure lid, it keeps everything clean and easy to find. Perfect for families, travelers, and daily drivers who love organization. If you want a cleaner, smarter trunk setup, this is a must-have. Deals are limited. Click the link and get yours now. Number 16. Coverado Backseat Car Organizer 2-Pack. Say goodbye to messy back seats with this practical backseat organizer set. It gives you multiple pockets to store snacks, tablets, toys, bottles, and travel essentials, keeping everything neatly in place. Great for families, road trips, and everyday driving, it keeps the car tidy while making passengers more comfortable. Strong, easy to install, and built for daily use, it truly transforms your car interior. Limited deals are available, so tap the link and grab yours before it's gone. Number 17. Volcaner Cargo. Cover Hyundai Tucson 2022 to 2025. Protect your belongings and keep your trunk area neat with this perfectly fitting cargo cover. Designed specifically for the Hyundai Tucson, it hides valuables, reduces clutter, and gives your interior a cleaner, premium look. Whether you're carrying groceries, gear, or luggage, it keeps everything private and organized. Easy to install and built to last, it's a smart upgrade for Tucson owners. Deals won't stay forever, so click the link and secure yours now. Number 18. Hitolza Smart Car Air Freshener Diffuser. Make every drive feel fresh and comfortable with this smart air freshener diffuser. It spreads a pleasant, long-lasting scent while helping reduce bad odors inside your car. Sleek, modern, and easy to use, it instantly improves the atmosphere and makes your car feel welcoming. Perfect for daily commutes, family rides, and road trips. If you love a clean-smelling interior, this is a great upgrade. Deals are live. Tap the link now and get yours before stock runs out. Number 19. Joytutus Underseat Storage. Molle Panel F-150. Maximize your truck's space with this underseat storage Molle panel made for F-150 owners. It helps you organize tools, emergency gear, and accessories neatly while keeping them hidden and secure. Strong, reliable, and built for real-world use, it keeps everything in place even on rough rides. Perfect for work trucks, travel, and daily driving. If you want smarter storage, this is the upgrade to get. Limited deals available. Click the link and grab it now. Number 20. Skechers Memory Foam Car Seat Covers. Upgrade your driving comfort instantly with these memory foam car seat covers from Skechers. They add softness, support, and a premium feel while protecting your original seats from wear and damage. Perfect for long drives, daily commutes, and anyone who wants extra comfort behind the wheel, they make every ride feel smoother and more relaxed. Deals are happening right now. Tap the link and secure yours before they sell out. Number 21. Upsupi Anti-Theft Car Pedal Lock. Add serious protection to your car with this durable anti-theft pedal lock. It helps prevent your vehicle from being driven away, giving you real peace of mind when parking anywhere. Strong, secure, and easy to use, it's a powerful extra layer of security every driver should consider. Whether you park outdoors or travel often, this lock keeps your car safer. Deals are limited. Click the link and get yours before it's gone. And that wraps up today's picks. If you found something useful, don't wait. These deals won't last long. Check the links below and upgrade your driving experience today before it's gone.